Hello guys, now I am going to explain my project Hemogenesis AI. This is my third recording, so I'll think that this is my final recording. Actually, this website is created to save the patients from thalassemia. Thalassemia is a rare genetic disorder which will come from parents, and it's like if this will cause you to take blood every month, every week, depends upon your situation, and sometimes it daily also. That's a rare condition. This is the front end for homepage. This is just the static data which I created for now. To be able to see, this is all the my data, but this is how the UI going to look like. First of all, user need to log in. So let me just give my new credentials. Gmail.com password. No, just use. Oh, sorry. I think first of all I need to register. So let me just sign up here. Let's copy this. Never first name. Just for reference. Yeah, same password. I will keep it. I think we are also. Yeah. Is it matching? Yeah, I think so. Oh, I am logging as an. I'm creating my profile as a patient currently. So if I press join as a patient, the registration is successful. And I save this. Now I need to fill the data. Here I'm giving my personal data. So this random values no need to worry about currently. But go maybe need to Telangana Hyderabad. So I'm pressing my profile, save profile. It will just take the time after profile is saved. You'll come to your profile page. This is all the data we are displaying here with of name or remaining values which are predefined. So for now, just no we didn't create a form to give input for each data like this, but this is already doing in backend. No need to worry about it. So how I'm going to solve the problem? Let me explain my code thing in the project that is like digital bit. Currently, I am using this digital thing here. What I'm going to do is I'm taking data input from patients every time you're going to visit the hospital or any medical reason or anything. So like if let's able to see that last time this person able to give input, like he went to city labs and he took notes and he able to get the levels like this. And also he went to transfusion hospital Apollo, he took the blood like this. We are taking the live tracking data of all the users here. So if I want to give my activity, so let me just press, I'm taking medication currently, medication, sleeping tablets for sleep. Yeah, basic data, no need to worry about it. So after saving it, let me just, I think, no need to refresh it. I'm just doing it for this. So for the current user, I think user is not much. User is really updated. So actually, it's everything going to backend. After going to everything in the backend, it will directly connect. I think specific song console now. I think I can help again. It's not coming in console log. I think I removed the print statement, so no need to worry. So how this will help is if I go to a doctor, if a doctor can see my medical past data, and if I'm donating the blood, so he can tell that last month you are having high fever, now you can't donate the blood because of some condition like this. So he can compare my all the previous data and give me the insights. Even AI can do that, but I'm just using doctor here, so it have more accuracy. This is not HIPAA compliant, no need to worry about it. This is the genetic risk. Actually, here we just use simple model here, which is like I am not a carrier, and I am she is a carrier. So this will help prevention. This is prediction. This is prevention. So we are working on both the parts here. So as you can see, genetic risk analysis is 50% carrier, 50% normal, like that. Yeah. Now this button is everywhere, so you can add activity anytime. This is the AI chatbot. Let me just show you the code once, or you see all the I think this is another page which I took last time. Let me remove it. I did it at last time, so I don't need to worry about it. Some random page for testing purpose I added. So here all the roots of the pages, everything is done here. So you can see the all the pages code. Currently, we are using LLM model which we deployed in Azure. So in this project, everything is created in Azure and deployed in Azure, everything A to Z. Let me just show you the resources. All the resources which I created, like this is the Cosmos DB for handling all the databases. I using this, and this is like app services and hemo AI. This is the open AI which we are using for the chatbot. All this trained and everything in there only. So let me just also for some places I'm going to use the translator. So this is the translator which is deployed in Azure and directly with the endpoints I will copy paste. No need to worry about this will expire in 24 hours. This is the ML part, Hemo ML which I created. This is just for the getting secret keys. Imagine this is a, yeah, I think this is for backend. Yeah, 1 minute. This is the first time when I'm testing my emergency web static app, that one. I think that's not deployed. This is the backend code. I think you can see the server is working. I also have my backend code here, server.js. All the code is here. So you can see if I go to my local host, uh, it's open in another browser. Just close it and open it here. It also the server is working. So my backend is fully deployed in Azure. So here we also have GitHub Actions. So every time I update the code, it will automatically update. This is just some. I think I need to show some front end deployment here somewhere. Yeah, I think this is the front end code deployment. Yeah, as you can see, deployed everything in the front end. Actually, I can push the current code in the front end, but what the issue is, in some pages, I am using these API keys here. See, I don't want to show uppercase. So these are the if I remove these keys and again I need to add this into env and all the headache is there, so I didn't do it. So when I'm pushing the code into GitHub, I will remove all these API keys and give the static. So LLM, I mean here LLMs will mostly not work. So if I just test it out now, I will type. So if I press this and press, it's not work. But this is all the static data. This is not generated by AI. So where is the localhost? Yeah. If I press it here, this is the data which because we are running in localhost, it will take time to think. And we are also here. This is the generic chatbot, not like predefined. So it's like generating from artificial intelligence, which we deployed in Azure. So this is like chatting about diet recommendation because we are having data like that. Here now, let me go to the patient dashboard. Actually, I got. Let me just show you the data set here. If you see this is the data, this is the clean data set actually, not the normal data set. After cleaning, I got like 3000 rows. So what I did is I run the Python script. I think I run the Python script and kept all this code into my backend. I will also remove the backend even if you see the ID password, there is nothing. So this is the backend Cosmos which I deployed in Azure. So I ran the script for like 5 minutes. I deployed each row and everything in Cosmos DB and I got the endpoint. So let me just show you the front end. I mean the endpoint, how I'm going to use it. Actually, no one is going to listen till this much, but I'm just showing for my sake in future. Where is the dashboard? The patient dashboard. Yeah, this is the endpoint for. I hope this endpoint doesn't work because actually, okay. Yeah, like this, you can see all the. You can, I think it's around 2000. Yeah, 2800, like 2000. So see here, what we can do is normally you can add the filters And if you want male, it will only display the male. Like currently I'm just loading like 100. If I want to load more, it will increase. So 146, if I load more, it will increase. All the data will change according to that. I'm getting trophy. Now, like I can filter out a negative blood, donor, everything, active status, deactive status. So everything can be filtered here. So let me just clear all. And these are the external donors based on the filters. And you can able to see the graphs also, this pie chart and bar graphs. So I think patient dashboard is completed. Here I think one of the main part of my project is like blood match finder. Normally here what I'm going to take is when you creating the profile, you will get the profile data. And when you use my NPA current, I think yeah, it's working here. See, this is the user API. This is the current user which I logged in. You can see all the static data which I provided in backend. So I didn't take input from manually. It will take time, so I didn't do it. So these are the donors, like you see the API which donor data. So it will use these two data to get the output. And middle which it will use the LLM which we agent which we created in Azure. So let me just search that. What the name? I think it's OpenAI, Azure Foundry, OpenAI. Oh, sorry, it's missed. Mhm. I think we should open this somewhere. Uh-huh. Here is the hemo AI. Actually, this is for the endpoints for starting, which I told you that the chatbot which you're using basic. Uh, that I think portal will open here, so you can switch it later. Yeah, till it open, let me just discuss you. So here also, if you see what my compatible donor, it will take all the data, and here which we here we created AI agent, not the normal specific chatbot. I will just show you the AI agent how I prepared, and it will take the time. It will give all the details here, and let me just tell you, show you another. This is my one of yeah, this is the funniest part in my project. Like this is the 3D model which we generated. Actually, in this, the data is trained on only thalassemia and not like trained like here. Normally, what I gave it, I gave total book of thalassemia to the AI, and it's like did like normal encoding and all those values, and is stored, and it's like creating. If I ask something about that, it will go to the vector search and do the real-time searching and do the nearest value like 3 4 values, and after that it's going to the AI and all the processing is done. Actually everything this is completed in Azure only. I think it's open. Yeah, uh, actually you can talk. Yeah, I think I am able to listen the voice, but I think my mic is not working. I'm using my phone here as a mic, so you may not able to. Yeah, it's talking. I can listen it. Okay, no need to worry about it. I'll just stop that now. Hmm, where are the agents? I think that is somewhere. AI, forgotten the names actually. Hmm, 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 hmm. Right, I think I do have PPTs. So let me just share it that. Uh, where is the PPT? I think it's in my. Let's check my history. My analysis. Everything. Are you? What's the name? Canvas. Not canvas. Actually, for front end and in emergencies, first two pages I use is allowable. After that, I removed it, but the icon is showing in some of the places, so no need to worry about. I didn't use lovable entirely, just for some starting page and some other pages, which login page. I don't want to do all the unnecessary stuff. I think not able to find it. Leave it. Uh, Actually, here I took like 6 hours to train the model, and after that. Yeah, I deployed in here only. I am not able to. I think now I can see how. Mm, let's search ML. Azure ML, machine learning. यार कहाँ डाल लिया machine learning? It can be yeah, hemo ML. Launching studios. This may work. Okay, this is AI as well. This is ML as well. Like confusing for me because I'm first time user. So even if someone was 10 years, forget about it. Uh, yeah, actually, this is the project under Blade Warrior, so I'm getting for only 2 days. So I will remove. They will remove the access of other. Yeah, all these are which I created last time. And this one I think I used register somewhere. Models. I think these are created by some other people. Okay, actually, what I did was I gave all the pre-trained data and cleaned it and did some feature engineering and gave directly to the ML AML part where it will automatically train it and it like auto deploy, but it's like took like 6 hours to deploy, and after that, let me wait. Uh, yeah, actually, it's in PPT, so let me just show you the login page. Yeah, I think it's here. Present full. Let go your hemo yeah, it's in hemo jobs. So see here, as you can see, it's like 6 hours to create this model. After creating the model, I deployed it and it's like hemo ML zone. Here actually you can see in the input here I give the inputs like patient data, active data like that. And if you're able to give eligible or not. So this is one ML model which we trained starting. After that, this is the second agentic AI. Actually, in that we need to manually ask if the person is eligible or not. Or singly you need to ask like eligible, not eligible, eligible, not eligible, eligible, not. This is not like that. See, here, who is the person who can give him bet now? So what happened is actually I given some instruction and the agent description and everything here and also knowledge space. So it see to determine who can give bet now, I will check the donor data set for individually. So it will like taking all the data. If you ask it for it, I donated within minimum like all the rules. I didn't give anything the input rules, everything. This is all predefined and created by AI. So AI API call happen once here to get this data. Again, data will second time AI will use this data and the data from my database to create the third output. Like it's like calling 3 4 times, but it's giving more creative data. I just want to show you this part. Okay, I think this all the dashboard we completed. I think I stopped somewhere in there. This final and least but not least, last but not least part is first button. Actually, for this I created a Flutter app. I think I will I will just send some request and show you in my app. So I think I didn't preset the data, but yeah, let's see. I just send the request right now. So it's like sending. I got actually in my phone. I got emergency request received. Someone who need blood donate urgently. I will take screenshot of that so I can add it into Clipchamp or somewhere. If I just accept it, I will get like three questions when 10 minutes, 5 minutes, 30 minutes. I'll just press 30 minutes and okay. So you can see that person, someone who is not the user of this person, able to come to this to help in 30 minutes. Just think I'm in busy on somewhere, and if I press reject, if I press okay, I will just screenshot. Unable to come. See, this is like real time here, so no need to do like searching, posting, Instagram. I need bread, I need bread, I need bread. So it's like giving less time to the users and all the persons handling. This is just a notification. In notification also I can do yes or no, so it will be easy to complete. Yeah. So overall, the overview of the project, we deployed everything in Azure. We didn't use anything from outside. At starting, we used Virtual, but again, I removed everything in the code. I think I can show you the files. 1 minute. Yeah. As you can see, these are the files. Imagenesis, backend, frontend, and app. Actually, all open here. I didn't open Flutter app. I had it running in my laptop. It takes tons of time. So I will deploy the code without the AI and credentials in there in my GitHub. If anyone wants GitHub, then just DM or something. And these are all the pages. I think most of the people understood. The finish is there. This is my overall project. Hemo Genesis.